If you've ever dreamed of working from home, setting your own hours, and building a flexible online career, becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect path for you. In this video, we're going to explore what a virtual assistant is, what kind of services you can offer, and how to get started even if you have zero experience. A virtual assistant, often called a VA, is someone who offers administrative, creative, or technical services to clients remotely. Instead of working from an office, a VA typically works from home, communicating with clients through tools like email, Zoom, Slack, and project management platforms. Businesses from solo entrepreneurs to large companies hire VAs to handle tasks they don't have time for. This helps them stay focused on big picture goals while you handle the details. So, what kind of tasks can you perform as a virtual assistant? One of the most common tasks is email management. Many business owners receive hundreds of emails a day, and sorting through them becomes overwhelming. As a VA, you can help organize their inbox, respond to customer messages, prioritize important emails, unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Another highly valuable skill is calendar and appointment scheduling. Clients may ask you to book meetings, send reminders, cancel or reschedule appointments, and even block time on their calendar for focused work or personal time. This task requires you to be detail-oriented and reliable, since your client will be depending on you to manage their time effectively. Data entry and file organization is another core area of work. You may be asked to input customer details into spreadsheets, update databases, organize digital folders, rename files, and ensure that documents are easily accessible. It might sound basic, but accurate data and a well-organized system are crucial for any business. If your client runs an online store, you could support their business through e-commerce support. This includes uploading product listings, updating inventory, managing orders and returns, handling customer questions, and checking on shipping issues. This is especially helpful for businesses selling through Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. You might also offer customer support services, which include responding to emails, live chat, and social media messages. You'll be the one helping customers solve problems, answer questions, and feel heard. This task requires patience, professionalism, and strong communication skills. If you enjoy being online and have a creative eye, social media management is another in-demand service. Many business owners struggle to stay consistent with content. You can step in by planning content calendars, writing captions, scheduling posts, monitoring engagement, replying to comments and direct messages, and even tracking metrics to show what's working and what isn't. For those who are more comfortable with numbers, bookkeeping and invoicing is a valuable niche. You can help track expenses, create and send invoices, follow up on payments, and update simple financial records. While you don't need to be a certified accountant, you do need to be organized and accurate. So, why are so many people becoming virtual assistants? The answer is simple: flexibility, freedom, and opportunity. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and choose the services you offer.